Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today's topic is home security systems. Are they necessary? The short answer is yes. Even if you live in a good neighborhood, your house still could be a target for burglars or anyone looking to do a home invasion. Um, Many times you'll see on the news there are people, random people, come up to your doorstep, steal a package left behind by your mail carrier or UPS. There's a device that also acts as a doorbell. It's called Ring, but also it has a surveillance camera on that as well, where you can also get messages once you download their app. Um, that's one good thing to have, but also you need more than just your doorbell uh, ring to perform uh, a complete home security system was what's needed, where your entire home is has surveillance cameras. And not to say that you need, it's necessary. No matter where you are, home protection is key. So if you feel that it's not necessary, then maybe you're okay. Hopefully, you don't become a victim of someone burglarizing your home. But also to prevent that, it's always good to put things in place. And then, you could have said that when you're away, your neighbors are looking after your home, but also that's going to put neighbors in harm's way. So to alleviate that, it's good to have a home security system that will allow you, once someone comes onto your property, you'll get a alert on your phone, your smartphone, and you'll be able to check out who that person is coming to your property. And then there's also a push button for you to alert the authorities, call the police, to make sure you have complete safety. And if you want to get started with a home security system, and or you just want to know what the process is, pricing, and what it entails, here's a number for you. That's 877-836-3024. You can never be too safe in your home, but also make sure your friends, your family, your loved ones are protected once they do come in your home or if they're living with you. So there's no price tag on safety, but these home security systems are very affordable. Here's a picture of someone breaking into a property. You get an alert from your smartphone because you have the right security system in place. All right. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. The phone number will also be in the description box below. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.